In a cozy kitchen setting, a lively host in their mid-60s stands beside a neatly arranged countertop, showcasing various vegetables. Welcome, health enthusiasts! Today we're tackling a common issue faced by those over 60, muscle loss. But fear not, because reversing muscle loss might be easier than you think. Forget eggs. Let me introduce you to a secret weapon found right in your produce aisle. The host begins. Cut to a shot of beans, peas, and broccoli arranged neatly on the counter. Many people believe that eggs are the ultimate protein source, especially for building and maintaining muscle. But there's a surprise contender in the protein race: vegetables. In particular, beans and peas have been shown to pack a protein punch rivaling that of eggs. The host explains enthusiastically. The camera zooms in on a vibrant bowl of cooked lentils. Take, for instance, lentils. Just 1 cup contains roughly 18 grams of protein. That's more than the protein found in 1 egg, which averages around 6 grams. Imagine that. Getting your protein intake from a cup of lentils alone, the host details. The host picks up a handful of chickpeas and pops a few into their mouth. Chickpeas are another versatile option, boasting 15 grams of protein per cup. On top of that, these little gems are filled with fiber and complex carbohydrates to keep you energized. The camera transitions to a cooking demonstration. Plumes of steam rise from a pot as the host stirs a vibrant lentil stew. Now, let's say goodbye to bland meals and hello to tasty, protein-packed dishes. Here's a quick way to prepare a delicious lentil stew. First, sauté onions and garlic in olive oil. Add chopped carrots and celery. Then stir in your lentils with some vegetable broth. Let it simmer, and voila! A protein-rich dish ready to promote muscle health, the host instructs. As the host garnishes the stew with a sprinkle of fresh parsley, they address the audience warmly. Incorporating these vegetables into your daily meals not only aids in reversing muscle loss, but also enriches your diet with essential nutrients essential for a vibrant, healthy lifestyle, the host concludes. The final shot zooms out on the beautiful bowl of stew as the host gives a cheerful nod. Transform your meals and transform yourself. Give it a try and see your muscles thank you. Until next time, keep cooking healthy and stay strong. The video closes with a list of vegetables and their protein content and links to recipes with visuals popping up, inviting viewers to explore further.